Use the Find Push button in the launch pad to find any object. We select Find and see the Find Objects box. The name line does not recognize upper or lowercase letters. Let's find the Excel application. We type Excel in all lowercase. We display the Start Folder menu. We choose C. With the Search All Subfolders option selected, we press Enter and see the Search in Progress message. We see the Find Results window with Microsoft Excel displayed. We double-click the folder and see the Excel files. To start Excel, we double-click excel.exe. We see the Excel screen. We close Excel by double-clicking its Control button, and OS2 Warp returns us to the Excel window. Now we close both windows. We close the Find Objects window in the same manner. Use the Window List push button to locate objects and open minimized windows. We choose the Window List button and see two open objects, the desktop and the Launchpad. By default, the window list covers the entire screen, the maximum view. Now let's restore the window to its regular size. We click the Restore button. It's in the right corner of the title bar. We close the window list by double-clicking the down arrow on the title bar. When you finish with your session, exit OS2 Warp using the Shutdown push button. When you shut down your computer, OS2 Warp automatically remembers information about which windows are open and their location. Now let's open some folders. Then try Shutdown. We open the Win OS2 Groups folder. Let's move this window. We place the pointer anywhere on the title bar. We drag the mouse and the outline downward. When properly positioned, we release the mouse. Let's open the information object. If you want several windows open at once, it's easy to resize them. Let's reduce the information window. We place the pointer on the bottom edge. When we see the mouse pointer change into a two-way arrow, we drag the mouse upward. When properly sized, we release the mouse. Now let's shut down our system. We choose the Shutdown push button. At the prompt, we press Enter. OS2 Warp automatically closes our windows and prepares our system to be turned off. We see the Shutdown has completed prompt. We can now turn off our computer or restart OS2 Warp. Let's restart it. We press and hold the Control and Alt keys. Then we press Delete. We release the Control and Alt keys. We see our computer restart and return to the desktop. Also, OS2 Warp automatically opens the two windows we left open. If you want to hide a window, you can minimize it. Let's minimize our windows. We select the Minimize button. It's the second one from the right on the title bar. We minimize the Win OS2 Groups window in the same manner. To see a list of the minimized windows, we use the Window List. Let's open the Window List and use a keyboard shortcut. We press and hold the Control key, then press Escape. Now we see the window list. We release the Control key. Let's restore the information window. We place the pointer on any part of the information icon view text. We double-click, and OS2 opens the window. Also, the window list automatically closes. From this view, you can open the tutorial we viewed earlier. Let's view the Master Help Index. We place the pointer anywhere on this text. We double-click and see the Master Help Index notebook. To display the rest of the tabs, simply click the double down arrows. To view topics on the font palette, we click the F tab. We double-click Font Palette and see information concerning it. We see some additional blue text at the bottom of the window. Let's view the Changing, Adding, and Deleting Fonts topic. We double-click on any part of this text and see the information. We return to the Font Palette information by choosing the previous button. For convenience, we can move the right side window by dragging its title bar. We close both windows by double-clicking the title bar icon. Use the glossary to see an alphabetical list of terms for the OS2 operating system. README contains last-minute information about OS2 Warp. If you want a description of the purpose and syntax of OS2 commands, read Command Reference. Use any of the online books for additional information on that subject. For example, the Applications Considerations online book provides helpful hints on using games under OS2 Warp. Printing in OS2 helps with installing new printers or solving problems. We close the information window and return to the desktop.
You may pause the tape now.